Narito ang mga larawan na nagpapakita na ang Japan ay kakaiba sa ibang mga bansa. Kung kayo po ay bago lang sa aking channel, paki-click po ng like at subscribe, at huwag kalimutan ang bell icon para sa notification. Nag-a-upload ako ng isa o higit pang video sa isang linggo.
Manhole covers. Melon with your favorite character. Untouched forgotten things. Bus drivers in Japan were on strike but continue driving while refusing taking fares from passenger. Umbrella lockers. Slide fire exit. Expectation meets reality in Japan. Airline employees bow and apologize to the passenger on a delayed flight. Futuristic toilet. Ground crew bows and waves goodbye to the departing aircraft. Organized train lines. Number of death. Smooth speed trains. Luggage arranged by color in airport for passenger to easily find their suitcase. Pinky finger and red thread. Some drainage channels have koi fishes. Unattended grocery store or honest shop. Robot dinosaur receptionist. Smartphone wiper. Smoking room in open air mall. Refrigerated lockers for perishable goods so you can keep shopping. Rain cover for shopping bag. Shopping cart lines up nicely in Costco food court. A video game you play with your pee in a urinal. Black fries. Will you wash my underwear and would you make miso soup for me every day as a marriage proposal? Different Kit Kat flavor and Kit Kat Gourmet. Cucumber on stick. taxi's back door open automatically. Marked for new and elderly driver. Parcel sending and receiving in the store. Special worker guarding a non-working escalator. Less trash cans but it's so clean there. Manga in a tissue. School uniform. Drink cans for the blinds. Chair that holds your bag. Some Japanese taxi have a button for turtle taxi to ask the driver to go slower. Trains with foot spas. Deer taken over Nara City. Goetud as ambassador of Iwate Prefecture. Japanese employees, exhausted after work. Items with 2 prices. Capybaras spas. Some people require more clothing during the summer. When eating ramen or soba, the noodles should be slurped. A headband with a cat. Cleaning is taught from a young age. Musical road. Proof that you have a free parking spot in order to buy a car. Plastic cups filled with ice cubes for coffee. Sakura made of Legos. Vendo machines. Cherry blossoms.
Maraming salamat sa panonood mga dre. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for notification. Salamat!